welcome back to my channel. I am going to be filming this beautiful look for you guys today. I am so happy with how it came out. I am going to be using the new Too Faced chocolate gold palette. Guys, I'm obsessed with this. I'm also using their new bronzer, their new latex lip gloss shine thing, which I absolutely love as well. I'll be doing this look for you guys. I feel like this could go with everyone. You can go ahead and change the lip color if you would like to. I just stuck with the pink and put a little gold over it. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face. I already moisturized my face after I brushed my teeth and did my whole face thing, but right now I am going to be priming my face. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, and I just put this in my practically just this area right here. I do put a little bit on my nose for my pores that I do have on my nose, but mainly on my cheek areas, my nose, and a little bit right here. Onto foundation. I was going to be using the Too Faced foundation because I did kind of want this to be a lot of Too Faced products that I'm going to be using here because I love Too Faced, and I just wanted you guys to kind of get an idea of how all the Too Faced products work together. But and don't get me wrong, I do love the Too Faced foundation, but I am going to be trying something new that I just picked up in the drugstore, which is the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse foundation. Actually, I don't think this is new, but I saw somebody doing a tutorial with this and I was like, oh my god, let me try this, because they did rave and say that it was good. I am in the shade Natural Beige, hopefully. I usually am in any other foundation in Natural Beige. It does feel a little thick at first when I pumped it into my hand. I don't really like the pump part. And then I will go in and blend it with a beauty blender. If I'm doing a heavy eye makeup look, I will start out with my eyes first, but because I'm not doing a heavy look, I'm doing more of a glowy, dewy type of makeup look, I will just start with my face first. Just blending, dabbing it out with a damp beauty blender. I just tried recently going back to a stippling brush, and guys, it just reminds me how much I love these beauty blenders. I don't think I will ever go back to using a brush for my foundation. Like, I just used one the other day and I did not like how it came out. So far, I am loving this foundation. And I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I will do that off camera because that takes me a while, but I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Right now I am in the shade Chocolate, but I am going to go a shade darker, I believe, now that all of my hair is black. And voila, my eyebrows are done. The only thing that I did change about my eyebrow routine is now I use a black gel to go over it just to darken it and hold it in its place. Moving on to eyes, the most exciting part, I am using the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Guys, this is everything. I love this palette because, first of all, for me, golds and browns are my go-to all the time. Like, that is my #1 favorite eye look. So I looked at this palette at first and I didn't buy it. I went ahead and bought their bronzer though, because I'm obsessed with their bronzer. But I just went back the other day and I was like, you know what, I have to get it and I have to do a look with this. So this is what the packaging looks like, just in case you guys have not seen this up close and personal. It is to die for. It. It's just like the regular Too Faced chocolate bar that they have palette, and then they just went ahead and put the gold over it with the words down here. I absolutely love it. This was so creative. And then the back just looks like that. This is what the inside looks like, guys. I love it. Look at all these beautiful colors. First is conceal my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. The reason why I'm concealing my eyelids is because that's how I like to hold my eyeshadow. Of course, you can use an eyeshadow primer, whatever you like is best for you. But for me, this is what I found to work the most. You can go ahead and use your finger to buff that out, or a brush. I like to use a brush and then my finger. Okay, so the first shade that I am going to use is Rolling in Dough, which is just this white, kind of white beige shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid area just so that it can set that concealer in. I'm mostly setting this in the crease area though, because that's where I have like a major crease where like anything that I do, it will like hit up top. Go in with this Cocoa Truffle, which is this top shade right here. It's just a basic cocoa, like it says, Cocoa Truffle brown. You know, there's no rule that I'm doing with this shade. It's not like I'm not taking it too high and I'm not taking it too low. I'm just going ahead because I do have a fat lid, as you guys can see. Not lid, but like a fat, this part right here. I do like to take my color just a little bit more higher so that you can see it, because if I put it right here, you can't see nothing, because the way my eyelid, I don't know if you guys understand, but the way that my eyelid closes and whatnot, or opens, it's like you can't see nothing in that crease area. So I do like to take the transition shade just a little bit higher. I am going in with the Chocolate Gold, which is this lovely, delicious chocolate gold. That's the name of it, but when I say chocolate, I'm thinking brown. Anyways, this gold right here is the shade that I am going to be putting on my lid area. I actually think this may be a little too gold. I am going to go in with Dripping Diamonds, which is this shade right here. It's another gold, but more of a cool toned gold. And I am just going to put that right over the bright gold. I'm going to be going in with Love and Cocoa, which is a kind of like Cocoa Truffle, but a shimmer, or yeah, like a shimmer shade. It's this one right here. And I am just going to be putting this right here on the outer crease area. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the other eye. I am going to go ahead and take a makeup remover wipe and wipe off all of the excess makeup that fell down below. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and conceal the underneath part of my eye. That way I can go ahead and jump right back into finishing the under eye parts and the rest of my eye. But I like to go ahead and do this before I put any eyeshadow underneath my, or by my waterline area. So I am using the, again, Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I go ahead and put some on my nose and then a little bit on this area right here. Taking my beauty blender, to set the concealer under my eye. I am using the Kat Von D setting powder. Okay, so for underneath the eye, I am going to go in with the first brown shade that we used, which is the Cocoa Truffle shade. And I'm going to be putting that underneath right on my waterline area. I'm going to be going in with not the brighter gold shade that we used on the lid the first time, but with Famous, which is the second gold shade that we used. Using just a basic brown eyeliner. I don't want to use black eyeliner only because I feel with gold and brown the black will just ruin it, so I am going to go in with a brown waterliner. I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner to go ahead and line my waterline area. And I'm not going to be doing wing liner either because I feel I just want this to be a glowy, fresh, simple look more than a nights type of catty eye look. Of course, to each their own. You can go ahead and use wing liner if you like to use wing liner. But for me, I'm just not going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just buff that liner part, just smudge it. For lashes, I'm sorry I do not have the box, guys, but I am going to be using these right here. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the lashes. I don't know how I feel about these lashes with this look. I mean, I'm just gonna wing it and go with it anyways. The only thing about these are they are kind of thick. So I feel like they are just, like they just stick out versus, you know, go the natural shade up like they should. I did apply a little bit of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to kind of put the lashes and let them stick together. I am going to go ahead and apply this to the bottom lashes as well. Moving back onto face, I am going to go ahead and bronze my face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Gold. I absolutely love Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to begin with, but to have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, this is how the packaging looks. This is the back of it. It just says on the back the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. I hope I'm saying that correct. I always say Soleil. Soleil. For blush, I am going to use the Oldie But Goodie Too Faced. This one is in Perfect Flush Blush. Oh no, it's called Peach Beach. The whole name of it is called Perfect Blush Blush. Flush Blush. Anyways, this one is in Perfect Beach and Perfect Beach. No, Peach Beach, but it's called Perfect. Just forget it. It is called, let me just read the whole entire back. Get my getaways, flyaways. It is called Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush in Peach Beach. There we go. For highlight, I'm going to use a little bit of this Mercier. This is a setting powder, translucent powder, but I mean, I don't know if somebody would set with this. I don't set with this. What I do is I use just a little bit to put on the highlight area before I go ahead and put the actual highlight powder on it. So this one is the Mineral Illuminating Powder in Candlelight. So, you know, just like the translucent powder that we use underneath our eyes, I just take a little bit of that and I just add it here, as you can see. I love it. Look at that. What I am going to do is take the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to take Fiji, which is the golder type shade, and I'm just going to take my hand because these are cream based highlighters. I'm going to put a little bit of that right over. And then I just go back in with my blush brush and kind of blend out where the cheek part is, because I do put some on my cheek part. I am going to take a little bit of this highlight color right here to highlight my brow bone area. Because I just want highlight everywhere. Take a little bit of that highlight, and I'm also going to be putting it in the inner tear duct corner. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to go ahead and use the new Too Faced Melted Latex. I guess you can call this a lip gloss. It is more, it says Liquid High Shine Lipstick. Tested it out on the store on my hand and I felt like it was a little thick, which I like. I don't like thin lip glosses because they just wipe right off, but these thick ones I absolutely love, and so hence the name Latex. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my lips, and I think I might just add a little gold shine to it. Matches my nails. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Glided Lip Gloss, and this one is in Brilliant Iris. Don't know how to pronounce that, but it is just their gold shine lip gloss. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love how it came out. I really suggest that you guys get your guys' hands on this new Too Faced palette, Chocolate Gold. I just love it. I do want to do another look with it, possibly with this pink shade in here. Maybe like a spring look, I'm not sure, but like I said, you guys should definitely get your hands on it. I love it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel, and show me some love down below. Comment, tell me what video you guys would love to see, what look, any type of special videos that you guys would love to watch. Just leave comments down below, and I think that's it. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.